This year we're dating, and then I'll decide if I want to take ERIN CONDREN back or not. On my channel, I've talked about my ERIN CONDREN planner before and how I used it. I've been using ERIN CONDREN for the past 6 years, and it really has helped me to manage all my tasks and appointments. But at the same time, I was always looking for something a little bit more. So you may have seen my other video that was really more geared towards homeschooling, but I tried to create my own personal planner. I thought about all the things that I need and how my brain works and all the things that I want to track. And it was great, except I got tired of constantly having to print out my new pages, and let's be honest, the paper quality, not quite the same as a planner. Not to mention the size of it. It wasn't small. I was fitting it inside 8.5 by 11 pages. It was just too big. And if I'm being honest with myself, I also very quickly tired of having my homeschool mixed with my personal tasks, because I actually really don't like planning out homeschool. Every once in a while, I need to plan out a week. Like, there's so much going on, I need to write it down. But I am by no means every week I need to get in my planner and I need to schedule out what we're going to do. I just never stick to that. So, was I ever going to find the perfect planner for me and all the things that I need to plan? Enter the Penny Pincher planner. I think I saw this planner because I think it's fairly new. I want to say that it came out last year. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's that young. And it was unlike any other planner that I've ever seen before. And this year I decided I'm gonna try it. So I'm taking a risk this year, a big risk. I'm abandoning my ERIN CONDREN planner, which I love, and I love it for the quality, and I'm going to try the Penny Pincher planner. This year we're dating. We're not engaged. We're just gonna date. I'm gonna see how it goes, and then I'll decide if I want to take ERIN CONDREN back or not. Now, I have some reservations because one of the reasons why I've stuck to ERIN CONDREN for so many years is the quality. Like, this planner has to last a whole year, and it's gonna get tossed in bags, it's gonna get thrown around. Like, it can't be a cheap quality or it's gonna be destroyed by the end of the year. And so I keep touching the coil because the coil is a huge part of the quality of ERIN CONDREN. This coil is so strong, like it's not gonna bend. And typically on other planners, like the coil is maybe the first thing that goes. So this coil, it feels pretty strong, but it's also, I'm able to move it. So we'll see, but let's take a look. So first of all, comment below if you've heard of this planner. Have you heard of the Penny Pincher? And if you used this planner last year, do you have any tips to share with me to help me make it work? I love tips. I'm so excited about this planner because first of all, look at it. Now, I think they had yellow, a blue, and a pink. So you had 3 covers to choose from. I thought this one was cute. You can see like the little metallic, sorry, it keeps glaring in the window. The little metallic gold. I can't really show you the gold without pointing it towards my window. And it came in this really cute box. So I love these sorts of boxes because we love having fun boxes to wrap Christmas presents in. But that's kind of all it came with. So the ERIN CONDREN boxes are also really cute, and they package them really nicely. So the Penny Pincher planner and the ERIN CONDREN planner price point is pretty comparable because the Penny Pincher is $46, but it's free shipping. In the ERIN CONDREN planners, they're more. However, ERIN CONDREN is constantly having sales. 20% off around Black Friday. It's usually 25% off. But ERIN CONDREN does not have free shipping unless you spend $75. So ERIN might be a little bit more expensive. All right, so this is the 2022 Home Planner Daily Checklist for your home, family, and finances. So this is already more than a regular planner. So a card about wiping, you know, when it gets dirty, you can wipe the front cover. This is a removable ruler. These are nice, like if you need to make straight lines or if you need to make additional lines this way, or it can just be a bookmark. You could put it at the top of your whatever month you're on, whatever week you're on, so that you can have a quick access point here. So since it's not January yet, I don't really need this yet, so I'm just going to leave it here. It has these really cute and fun stickers. So first of all of these are individual stickers, so you can take them off and put them wherever you need them. Well, checkup, dentist appointment, eye appointment, refill, all the kind of things that you need to plan. They have little metallic details on these stickers for wherever you want to use them. I mentioned with my ERIN CONDREN planner that I want to be a sticker girl. Every year I'm saying this is the year I'm going to use the stickers. So lots of cute stuff that color coordinates with the inside of the planner. So the Penny Pincher is a blog. This is Lori. She also has like meal planning products, which I haven't tried those yet. So this is kind of showing you how the planner works. There's these daily reminders on each week. This is what you're going to meal plan for, list something you're thankful for, and this symbol here is to keep track of the money that you've actually spent throughout the day. So that's very interesting. I've never done that before. My husband and I have tracked like our grocery budget before, like on a chalkboard, so that we can always see it. But this will kind of like be less public, I guess, if I put it in my planner. Yeah, she has chores planned out in here, which is something that if you watched my custom planner, I tried to put chores in there. I tried to make chore lists for my children. Sometimes I'm just tired of making updates. I'm tired of printing. This will be so handy to see if I actually use this. So this is kind of how it works. There's daily tasks in the left column and the right column. So she's going to have little boxes like this in every single week, and I'm going to show you that here. Here's some seasonal things, because there's always a spring checklist, things that aren't necessarily weekly, maybe even things that aren't on your master chore list. So for the entire home, things to dust and vacuum that aren't part of your regular routine, things to do in the kitchen, like cleaning out the refrigerator and freezer. So again, this is just a spring checklist. Checklists like cleaning the laundry area, the front porch, the outdoor area, the grill, bathrooms, cleaning sinks, cabinet doors, windows. Yes, windows is one of those things that I kind of always forget about. Okay, yard and home maintenance checklist. I think my husband has one of these checklists, but still, I'm anxious to see, man, for all the seasons too. A checklist for late winter, early spring, for spring, summer, and fall. Company is coming over checklist 1 week ahead, 3 days ahead, 2 days ahead, 1 day ahead. So interesting here. So 1 week ahead, clean out fridge, clean out oven, clean out microwave, clean out coat closet. This is company coming like to spend the night. So if you have out-of-town family who's coming to stay a while, meals that you're going to plan, a grocery list. Christmas checklist. Yes, how many of you are thinking about Christmas right now? I have things to do, but admittedly, it's always in my head. I never really write down what I need to do for Christmas, so this is kind of cool. And then I can add to it what I need to do. Christmas cards, something that I always forget about until the last minute. Gifting, shopping, planning and baking supplies that are common for Christmas recipes, gift wrapping supplies, gift list here, a vacation checklist. If you want to use this kind of generic, it's kind of interesting. You know, you can add your own list items that aren't here. You could add them here. And then we have our weekly home project schedule. So she says on the weekly view of the planner, you're going to see one big weekly project to complete in pink. So look for it at the top left of the page under your daily checklists, and below is an overview of the tasks that you could include. So she's already got you started on like quarterly deep cleaning tasks. So January, February, March, yep, organize the pantry. It's usually when I do it. Deep cleaning the refrigerator, the spice cabinet, organize children's bedroom storage. Then in the spring, we've got organized dining room space. Yep, homeschooling. Back up all of your devices, organize the TV media. Summer, organize the pantry again. Junk drawer. So I think this looks pretty much exactly the same as up here. For the winter, organized child's closet for fall. Yep, that's when we go through the closets. Laundry room, order your Christmas cards. Man, it even gives you a date here. I mean, this lady's got it figured out. And then you can have your personal goals. So here you go. If you have personal goals you want to work toward, so you could kind of put what your monthly goals are and track whether or not you're meeting those. Do you have projects that you routinely do each month? You could list them here, and then here's all the months laid out. You got monthly bills that you want to keep track of. You can do that here. Home project list. So when I went over my ERIN CONDREN planner, I talked about how I did make a master list of all the things, special things that we needed just for our home. So they've got a spot for that here. Financial goals, you could make some, because I mean, they do have the spot weekly for you to keep track of that. And then some more notes pages. And then we're into January. So here's your 2022 calendar and 2023, which is always handy. Now, the Passionate Penny Pincher is a Christian, so she's got scripture in here, and she also has a Bible reading plan. Yes, I said that, and I'm going to show you. So for January, this is going to be, how every month is laid out. Likes are free, and it helps this video get to more people. Okay, so for in January, you've got your notes here for any special project that you may have or want to plan out. Maybe you have a big birthday bash. Maybe it's a special anniversary for your parents. You could use this as a planning page. Complete January budget, decide one financial goal, donate or throw away 25 items, plan one fun activity for your family. And then you have your monthly layout. This is pretty typical. And then we're in the weeks. Now look at this. Look how different this is than any other planner that you've probably ever seen. These checklists alone, this is like seriously almost exactly what I put in my custom planner. I created my planner, and then I feel like then the Penny Pincher came out with hers. It was amazing how much alike we were thinking, but her planner is way nicer than mine. So you've got here exercise, shower, make beds, start laundry, clean the bathroom sinks, plan and prep dinner, wash and put away dishes, clean kitchen counters, wipe down kitchen counter, tidy main living space. So this is morning tasks, and these are like afternoon tasks. Make dinner, plan and prep for the next day, wash, put away dishes, clean kitchen counters, wipe down the sink, set out kitchen towels, sweep and vacuum the kitchen, fold the laundry, tidy the main living space, and then whatever other task you want to add if you need a daily task on here. So this is a Sunday start. Some people don't like starting on Sunday. I honestly don't think this would really bother me that much. If I don't need to put anything on Sunday, I would kind of just use this for more weekly tasks. If I don't know like what day they're going in, I think I would probably use this for, it just needs to be done sometime this week. Cross out Sunday because we don't do anything Sunday except go to church. So over here is kind of your weekly tasks. Make your meal plan, grocery shop. No, that will not be done on Sunday. Clean out your purse. And then here's what you're having to eat. Here is what you're thankful for. And there's whatever money you spent. So as you can see, on every single day, there's a different set of tasks. So if you want to keep up with cleaning your house, like as a homeschool mom, I'm not sure how possible this would be. As a stay-at-home mom, I think this would be awesome. If I didn't have to homeschool my kids, if I was sending them away, this would be so doable. And then you can see here we're starting our Bible reading plan. So she has read Revelation 18. So if you want some sort of plan to follow, then that's here. And you can see also on Saturday, she does keep Saturdays light so that if you're getting your work done the rest of the week, then Saturday you can spend with your family. Let's just look at the next week and see how different it is. So all of this is going to be the same. This looks like it's the same. The chores here are different. So you can see This said clean mirrors. This says dust furniture. This looks like the same. Clean car was different because this week it was sweep the garage. This is clean electronic screens, sort paperwork and mail. That's the same. Change bedroom sheets is the same. Clean bathrooms, change towels, that's the same. So it looks like Monday is the day where you're alternating some of your chores, which is nice. Something else I want to note here, there's like one big project here, clear and develop device photos. So if this is one of those projects that's on one of these earlier checklists. So I'm not seeing clear device photo and develop photos here. So just more tips for you, things that maybe you forget. If you just follow this, maybe you will never be overwhelmed. Organize your pantry is here. So that was on the monthly list. I do remember that one. Organize pantry. So if you've used this planner before, let me know. Do these follow the checklist in the front? Do they have extra? It looks like it's extra to me. Deep clean refrigerator, that was on a checklist. Deep clean freezer. Organize under the kitchen sink. Okay, and then the scripture reading plan looks like she's starting in Genesis. We've got some Exodus here. So it looks like these items every month are also the same. A different scripture on every month. Ooh, look at this. August budget worksheet. So at the end of every month, there is a budgeting worksheet if you want to fill in what you actually did, what you projected. So you've got your monthly budget here. Man, this is amazing to me, you guys, that this planner has all of these things in here. And this size, very comparable to my ERIN Condren. It's a little bit bigger. I would say this is about 7 or 8 inches. So it looks like here we're ending in Malachi. So she's going through the Old Testament. Maybe next year is a New Testament reading plan. And then you have this little folder back here. So if you need to keep receipts for taxes, this would be a great place to put receipts. At Christmas time, I'm always losing my receipts. I need a place like this to just kind of tuck them away just in case I need to make returns. The paper quality, ERIN Condren's feels a little bit thicker, but this is still like better quality than your printer paper. So we will see how it works with bleeding, like with flare pens, and let's just look right now. Okay, so this is a flare pen. It's not showing through. I mean, I can see it with the light, but when I put the page down, I'm not seeing anything. If you want to see the video, you want to know more about my ERIN Condren planner, check out this video right here and you will learn how I used this. I can't wait to see if ERIN Condren and I are officially breaking up. I look forward to dating you this year, Penny Pincher Planner. Bye.